Well, hello everybody. This is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. I'm at Bolton Homes today. Going to be doing a tour of a Franklin Homes home. It is the Shoreline. It was their show house this year. Because the show was so busy, I didn't get a chance to tour it at the show. But since we brought it to our lot here, I've been meaning to do it, and I just never got a chance. So we're finally going to get a tour of the Shoreline. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Simply gorgeous. I love the under eave lighting. I love this blue vinyl, that stacked stone, and the vertical board and bat there. It's just simply gorgeous house. I love this huge door. Once we get inside, I'll show you how big it is. It's an 8-foot door. They offer a white and brown version of that door here, and it is very nice. Hard to imagine how heavy that door is. Solid built. And once you walk in, you have a little foyer area here, as you can see. Of course, it's a Franklin home, so it is tape and texture throughout. You do have the little sharp corners there on the side, but you have bullnose edging if you choose. Got a nice little chandelier, beautiful shiplap beam. And believe it or not, that's made by one 1x6s, but they cut it at a 45-degree angle, so it looks like a solid beam. And off the foyer here to the left, you walk into as somebody described it, as chef's paradise. They got quartz countertops, really pretty. Shiplap designs all around the island. They got the blue, the Athena cabinets, and then one of the upgrade LG refrigerators. Really nice. You can double tap and it lets you look inside, but the reflection won't let me show it to you. Of course, they have the soft close doors and drawers on their cabinets, which is always nice. Adjustable shelving. We love that, or assisted closing as they call it. Good look. There's a garbage disposal in the sink, so that's an option as well. USB plug-ins on the side. Stainless steel appliances throughout. And they got the gas cooktop with the pot filler above it. This is a 5-burner LG gas cooktop. Really nice. And I love this backsplash as well. Real ceramic, of course. And then you got the wall oven and microwave built in. Now, I don't know which one because I don't cook too often, but one of these is an air fryer. I think somebody said it's actually the bottom, the oven part, can also be an air fryer, so that's a really nice feature as well. And you got large windows, let in a ton of natural light. And these pendant lights, really pretty. They have quite a few options. Those are coming off of that shiplap box that's coming down. They have a lot of options with their lighting. You can pick several different styles, as well as just do can lights like they chose to do here in the dining room instead of a chandelier. More shiplap accents there. And then you got the barn door. Opens into a little hallway that goes into a side exit. And then off of this is your utility room. They did these 5-panel doors, which are solid wood instead of the hollow core. That is an upgrade charge, but it's just a really nice look on them. And this house here, got a little storage and the little pipes. Those are kind of neat right there for hanging clothes or storing a little bit more stuff. Washer dryer hookups, and there is a recessed dryer vent there. More huge window for more lighting. And then here's your water heater here as well. And they do offer the tankless. That's an option. You also have a space right there for a freezer if you like. Full-size breaker box with a ton of extra space for breakers. So if you want to add a shop, carport, hot tub, something like that, you don't have to worry about having enough space. And it's also clearly labeled, which is really nice if you've ever had to do some work on something. Now, off this entry, this is a little pocket door that recesses into the wall and comes all the way out there. Of course, it's not fully cased like it would be once it's on your property. And we open this into your master closet, but we'll come back to that in a second. We're gonna go see the rest of the house first. Really just love the setup on this. It's kind of modern, but still a formal setup as it's kind of closed off, but it's still open enough that I'm here in the kitchen. I can have a conversation with somebody in the living room and don't feel like I'm having to holler or anything like that. And you got the cased opening here, walks in. One of the things I love about this house also is the 9-foot ceilings. Franklin's is about to go to that standard. They also do the 2x6 outer walls, 2x4 inner walls, 2x8 floor joist standard as well. And one of the new features is this, it's a wood burning stove look, but it's actually an electric fireplace. So all that's show, and of course it is optional. You can get a stacked stone fireplace just like that stone. You can get several different options. They have electric fireplaces as well. And you have your nice little feature wall here. Put your TV on with the shiplap. One of the things I also love, you see the HDMI and the plugins down there. It's so you can put your receivers, your PlayStations, everything down on the floor, down closer on the floor in like a little console. And then behind here, we can't really see it, but there's another HDMI plug there. So there's no wires hanging when you're watching TV. Just gives it a cleaner look. And then over here, you got two more big windows. You got an atrium door, goes off the side. Now with Franklin, they let us do a lot of customization. So some folks have moved this door over to the right. Some have moved it over here where the fireplace is. Whatever you like, whatever works best for you and your property, we'd be glad to design the house. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, but I've had a lot of people design it as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, or a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, whichever you like. And there's still room to add footage to this house. It's about 2,100 square feet, I think. So we can go a little bit bigger, add about 200 more square feet. And in here, you have the guest bathroom. That 5-panel door just looks really good. I love that door. All of them. They look really good. And they got this new flooring here for the bathroom. It's a vinyl tile. Just real sharp looking. I love it. And the Formica is in the bathrooms instead of the kitchen's got that quartz. It's got the rolled countertop as you see here, so it's not that glue-on strip. And back here it's rolled up as well, so if you spill water, it's not going down behind your cabinets. And they got the nice ceramic sink, metal faucets, and then another pocket door here. Opens into the bathroom with a large fiberglass tub shower combo. So the kids got a little bit more room and the toilet. So the toilet and the shower are separate from the sink. So if somebody's using the restroom in there, somebody can come wash their hands, brush their teeth, something like that. And you got 4 bedrooms, like I said. So this bedroom here is a very good size. Definitely could fit a queen size bed in here, if not something a little bit bigger. A lot of space. I don't know if I pointed it out yet, but of course we put the vents in the ceiling, always in our Franklin homes. And so there you see it. And it's now a smooth ceiling, so it's not that textured or stomp. Nobody, as far as I know, does popcorn anymore. And then also here is your closet, good size, and they do those wood shelves, standard in their homes. I believe Franklin's gonna start doing is this crown molding, that 5-inch crown molding, standard as well, instead of the little 3-inch. So it gives a nice residential feel. Bedroom 3 over here, about the exact same size as the other one. So you see you got good spacing. This one actually feels a little bit wider, but it's a little bit shallower. It's got 2 windows. That's really nice. A bigger closet, it looks like. More of a walk-in. That weird angle there is actually from coming off your foyer, but it is a walk-in closet for this bedroom. A little bit more functional, more square in here, so you got more options on which wall to place the bed or the dresser. Really love it. We're about to head over into the master, which is right here off the living room. Y'all see that big crack? That's where they cut it apart from when it was a show house. Of course, you wouldn't see that once it gets put on your property, it gets trimmed out. Now, this is a queen size bed, but you could easily fit a king in here. You got a lot of space over there. I think in my previous videos, I've talked a lot about the quality that you get when you buy a Franklin home. It's just it's amazing how well built they are, how heavy built they are. If you ever go look at the homes, you can see how many axles are under them, how many tires. It's just a lot because they have to handle all that weight. And it's because they do more closer to a residential quality. Now with their manufactured homes, they are a little bit different. from their modular homes. Now we can order any Franklin home as a modular, on frame or off frame, and it'll be built to your local site built code and actually get permitted as a site built. So that's always a great option. We love to do the modular homes as well. It gives you a little bit better appraisal values for certain types of financing, as well as it appreciates just a little bit more than a manufactured home. Walking here into the master bathroom is really nice setup. I don't think I pointed out the barn door here. Of course, you can do a regular hinge door if you like, and you see that very beautiful, very deep standalone tub next to two large windows. And Franklin does offer some Roman shades that we could put there so you get a little more privacy if you wanted. Private water closet here with the elongated commode. Somebody hung some artwork in there so you don't just stare at a blank wall, I guess. And then another thing I love that Franklin does is standard, they do a tile basin in their master showers. So instead of a fiberglass pan, you get this tile. It is a little bit more work to keep clean, but it's quieter, it's smoother on the feet, and it's just a really good look. I like that hexagonal pattern, it's really nice. One of the new things they did in this house is that herringbone pattern there. You can do that with your backsplash in the kitchen too, but as you see, it's hung horizontally here, but it's a herringbone pattern on the back wall. You got the rain shower head, as well as a handheld and the bench seating. And then they always have this shower cubby. Now, good news, they now have a shower cubby that is about a little more than twice the size of that one, so you'll be able to fit more bottles, shampoo, conditioner, whatever you need in there. And then over here, we got the his and hers, two separate sinks. There are drawers in the middle for extra storage for your Q-tips or whatever. Seems like it's hair ties and bows in my house always get shoved in those drawers. But it's good spacing. I love that blue, the square ceramic sinks. Really good look. Two mirrors as well. And there's some lights there. You do have different light options. Then over here, beside the tub, you have a vanity section where she can put her makeup on every day, or just get ready for the day if she like, however she likes. Little space there. And then a little bit more storage over here. Now, I've had somebody do an extra closet there in our design. The possibilities are endless when it comes to Franklin, pretty much. As long as it's not illegal, immoral, or against building code, we can do it. And so we've drawn almost any type of floor plan for customers. I've even taken double wides, made them triple wides. People have brought in their house plans. We've converted them to a double or a triple or even a quadruple wide in our drawings. And a lot of great quality options that you can pick. Now, here is the closet organization system that Franklin offers in every closet. So what's great about that is you'll have some that are dual hung, so you can have pants on the bottom, shirts on top, or whatever you choose, just like both sides. They'll have shoe racks, purse rack if you like, or sweater racks, whatever you want to do. And then they'll almost always have this place for the longer clothes like overalls, dresses, full suits, whatever you want to hang. But it's just a really nice organization system. And again, another pocket door. Now, some people love pocket doors, some hate them. If you choose not to do it, that's a-okay. We'll gladly take those out and put a hinge door or a barn door if you like. Some places you can't get away with a barn door, but many places you can. Guys, if you have questions about this home, the Shoreline, any Franklin home, or any of the homes that I carry, I'd be glad to answer them. Be happy for you to reach out, whether you comment on the YouTube, reach out through Facebook, or give us a call at the office. Again, my name is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. I can be reached at 318-487-1819. Thanks for walking the house with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and follow my page for more tours. And don't hesitate to go back and watch some of the older ones. I love it when people have questions about my older videos. So y'all have a great day. And again, thanks for watching.